Aglaonema plants want to have a potting medium with very good air circulation because their cylindrical roots are quite sensitive to overwatering as well as underwatering. So in this video, I'm going to share a standard light structural potting soil for aglaonemas just by using simple soil making ingredients. And as a bonus, I also will share a pro tips that will help to improve the growth of this plant. And with this, hello plant lovers, I am Nishat Suba from Bangladesh and welcome to Plantology. First, I added 3 parts of garden soil. 1 part rice husk. You can use perlite or pumice instead of rice husk. 1 part charcoal. I generally use pre-washed charcoal and I used mixed size charcoals. Half part of sand. I used medium coarse sand, but you also can use fine sand or river sand. And finally adding 1 part compost. Mix them well. And this is the consistency. Now I have propagated aglaonemas from cuttings in water. And after 15 days, 2 cuttings have well rooted and another one did not make it. However, I'm going to repot these cuttings using the potting soil I just prepared. I added chopped coconut shells over the soil surface as a top dressing and it looks quite cool. After repotting, water the plant thoroughly. Now let's talk about the pro tips that I promised earlier. Aglaonema plants produce flowers very often and they invest lots of energy in order to form flowers. And after flowering, you will notice the plant starts to become weak and stunted, which you never want. So, remove the flowers if your plant have any to keep the plants growing. So that was my video. You can use this potting soil to grow any variety of aglaonema. If you are interested in plants and gardening and want to learn a bit deep about the science behind the gardening, then feel free to subscribe with the bell. Thank you so much for watching this video and we will see you in the next one. Take care.